Hi everyone! Welcome back to our O-Level Math series. Today, we're delving deeper into the world of number concepts and operations, focusing specifically on the powerful tool known as the number line. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand how to use the number line effectively but also see how it can simplify complex mathematical problems. The number line is a fundamental tool in mathematics. It's a visual representation of numbers, with zero at the center and numbers extending infinitely in both directions. The right side represents positive numbers, while the left side represents negative numbers. One of the primary uses of the number line is to represent directed numbers or signed numbers. Positive numbers are plotted to the right of zero, and negative numbers to the left. For example, -3 is located 3 units to the left of zero, while +5 is found 5 units to the right. The number line is a powerful tool for understanding addition and subtraction of directed numbers. When adding directed numbers, you move to the right for positive numbers and to the left for negative numbers. Subtraction is simply the reverse. The number line provides a visual way to understand complex operations. Whether it's adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing directed numbers, the number line helps you see the relationship between numbers and the effects of operations. Equations involving directed numbers can be solved easily using the number line. Let's take an example. Suppose we have an equation like x minus 3 equals 5. Here, x is a directed number we want to find. To solve this equation, we can use the principle of doing the same thing to both sides of the equation. We can add 3 to both sides of the equation to isolate x on one side. This simplifies to x equals 8. On a number line, you would start at 0, move 5 steps to the right, because of the +5, and then move 3 steps further to the right, because of the +3. You would end up at 8 on the number line, which is our solution. Now, let's consider an equation with negative numbers, like x plus -4 equals 2. Again, we want to isolate x, so we'll do the opposite operation on both sides of the equation. We subtract -4, which is equivalent to adding 4, from both sides. This simplifies to x equals 6. On a number line, you would start at 0, move 2 steps to the right, because of the +2, and then move 4 steps further to the right, because of subtracting -4. You would end up at 6 on the number line, which is our solution. So, as you can see, a number line can be a very useful tool when solving equations involving directed numbers. It provides a visual way to see what you're doing when you add or subtract positive and negative numbers. Understanding the number line isn't just essential for exams, it has practical applications in real life. From calculating finances to understanding temperature changes, the number line helps you make sense of the world around you. That wraps up our lesson on the use of the number line. Whether you're a student preparing for exams or someone interested in mathematics, mastering the number line is a valuable skill. In our next lesson, we'll explore more advanced topics related to number concepts and operations. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning! Please don't forget to like and subscribe.